Want to connect and pair wireless Bluetooth headphones to your Vizio Smart TV? Then just press the settings button on your remote and go to the second option, which is pair headphones. Press OK to open it, and your Vizio TV will start searching for any Bluetooth headphones nearby. So grab your headphones, and now you'll have to put them into pairing mode. This process will be different from devices to devices. For example, on our Sony XM6, we'll need to press and hold on the power button while the headset is off, and we'll need to keep holding it until we see the blue LED blinking twice rapidly. And as soon as it's in pairing mode, your headphones will pop up on the list. So using the remote, just highlight your device and press OK. There you go. Now your Bluetooth headphones are connected to your Vizio TV. Now in the future, if you want to reconnect to your paired headphones, just open back settings, go down to Bluetooth headphones, and use the left or right button to change it from off to your headphones, then press OK to connect back. And that's all there is to it. Hope you found this useful. Happy listening.